As you enter your 40s, your body begins to experience subtle changes that may not be immediately obvious. You might notice gentle signals like increased fatigue after a busy day or minor aches that linger a bit longer than before. These signs are often easy to overlook, but they can provide valuable insight into your overall health. Paying attention to these small shifts is important, as they may indicate the need for adjustments in your daily routine or self-care habits. Recognizing and respecting these cues can help you maintain vitality and well-being as you move through this new decade of life. As we enter middle age, the impact of our daily habits becomes more pronounced. Patterns established in diet, exercise, and sleep routines start to play a significant role in shaping our long-term health outcomes. Consistent healthy choices can help maintain energy levels, support mental clarity, and reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. Conversely, neglecting these habits may lead to gradual declines in physical and cognitive well-being. This period of life offers an opportunity to reinforce positive routines, making it easier to sustain good health for years to come. Understanding the importance of these habits empowers individuals to make informed decisions that support longevity and quality of life. Identifying early warning signs is crucial for maintaining overall health. Persistent fatigue, frequent aches, ongoing stress, and unexplained weight gain can all signal underlying changes in the body. These symptoms may not always seem serious at first, but they often point to issues that require attention. By noticing these indicators early, individuals can seek appropriate care and make lifestyle adjustments to prevent more serious conditions. Being aware of subtle shifts helps in addressing potential health concerns before they escalate. Recognizing early warning signs in our bodies is crucial for maintaining long-term health. By responding promptly to these signals, we can often prevent minor issues from developing into more serious conditions. Making proactive lifestyle adjustments, such as improving diet, increasing physical activity, or managing stress, can have a significant impact. However, there are times when these changes alone may not be enough. In such cases, seeking medical attention ensures that underlying problems are identified and treated appropriately. Taking these steps not only protects our well-being, but also empowers us to take control of our health journey. Middle age is often seen as a time of transition, but it can also be a powerful period of growth and renewal. By embracing healthy choices and focusing on personal development, individuals can unlock new opportunities and experiences. This stage of life offers the chance to reflect, set fresh goals, and cultivate habits that support physical and emotional well-being. Rather than viewing middle age as a decline, it can be reframed as a vibrant chapter filled with potential. With intention and self-care, the years ahead can be both fulfilling and energizing, paving the way for continued happiness and achievement. Sleep is a fundamental pillar of health, influencing everything from hormone balance to metabolic function. Consistent, high-quality sleep helps regulate hormones such as cortisol, insulin, and melatonin, which are essential for stress management, energy levels, and appetite control. Poor sleep can disrupt these processes, leading to increased risk of weight gain, mood disturbances, and chronic health issues. Establishing a regular sleep routine, such as going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, can significantly improve sleep quality. Creating a calm, dark environment and limiting screen time before bed are practical steps that support restful sleep. Prioritizing sleep not only enhances physical health, but also boosts mental clarity and emotional resilience. By making small adjustments to your nightly habits, you can foster lasting improvements in overall well-being. Daily movement plays a crucial role in maintaining joint flexibility and supporting heart health. Regular physical activity helps keep joints supple, reducing stiffness and discomfort over time. It also promotes better circulation, which is essential for cardiovascular wellness. Establishing consistent, manageable exercise routines can make these benefits accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or gentle cycling contribute to lasting improvements in overall well-being. By prioritizing daily movement, individuals can foster resilience and vitality that endures throughout life. As we age, it's natural for our metabolism to gradually slow down. This change can affect how efficiently our bodies process food and convert it into energy. However, there are practical strategies to support both energy levels and digestive health. Incorporating whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients and helps maintain metabolic function. Staying hydrated is equally important, as water aids in digestion and supports overall bodily processes. Balanced meals that include a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can promote sustained energy throughout the day. By making mindful choices, it's possible to nurture your metabolism and feel your best at any age. Stress can have a significant impact on middle-aged adults, affecting both physical health and emotional well-being. During this stage of life, responsibilities such as career demands, family obligations, and financial pressures often converge, making effective stress management essential. Practical relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises and mindfulness meditation can help reduce tension and promote calmness. Building resilience is also important. Setting realistic goals and maintaining a positive outlook can foster adaptability in the face of challenges. Additionally, nurturing social connections, whether through friendships, community involvement, or family gatherings, provides vital support and a sense of belonging. By integrating these strategies into daily routines, middle-aged adults can better manage stress and enhance their overall quality of life. In summary, maintaining consistency in sleep, movement, nutrition, and stress management forms the cornerstone of lasting health and well-being, especially as you enter your 40s and beyond. Regular sleep patterns help restore both body and mind, while staying active supports strength and mobility. Balanced nutrition fuels your daily activities and promotes long-term vitality. Managing stress effectively protects your mental and physical health, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with resilience. Together, these habits create a stable foundation, empowering you to enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age.